Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering what proves the account is yours. This speeds every step. Check for backup codes, recovery emails, or an authenticator app you once set. Once done, collect specific facts: username, account creation date, recent login locations, and any billing or subscription details tied to the account. Use a device you commonly use to access the service. Systems favor familiar devices. This first push reduces friction and makes automated and manual recovery far more likely to succeed. You now work through the provider's recovery flow and select "I don't have access to email or phone" where available. Follow prompts exactly. Upload government ID, submit account screenshots, or attach billing receipts in required formats. Providers reject wrong file types. When a free text explanation appears, describe recent activity with timestamps and device names so reviewers can match logs. Make sure to include unique payment or subscription details if applicable. These are high-value proofs that human reviewers rely on. You complete the process by tracking the case number and expected response window. Record any confirmation ID. If the request is denied, don't panic. Review the rejection reason, gather stronger evidence, more recent billing, exact device IPs, and submit a focused appeal using the provider's support portal or chat. If no response, escalate to verified support channels. Once you regain access, make sure to set up multiple recovery methods to FA, backup codes, and a secondary email to prevent a repeat of this whole process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.